Are you someone who is facing health problems and seeking a solution? Do you want to become fit and active but struggle to find the time or resources to do so? Look no further. Home Diva Fitness is here to solve your problem by offering online or offline fitness classes at affordable prices. At Home Diva Fitness, we understand the challenges you face when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. With busy schedules, limited access to fitness facilities, and the high cost of personal trainers, it can often feel impossible to prioritize your health. But we believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to live a fit and active life, regardless of their circumstances. That's why we have developed an innovative platform that brings fitness directly to your home. Our online classes are designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their fitness level or experience. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, our expert instructors will guide you through engaging workouts that will help you achieve your goals. No more wasting time and money commuting to a gym or hiring a personal trainer. With Home Diva Fitness, you can exercise from the comfort and convenience of your own home. All you need is a computer, tablet, or smartphone and an internet connection. Say goodbye to the excuses and hello to a healthier, happier you. But affordability should never compromise quality, and that's why we ensure that our classes are led by experienced and certified fitness instructors. Our instructors have a deep understanding of human anatomy and physiology, and they know how to customize workouts to suit individual needs. You can rest assured that you are in safe hands and receiving the best possible guidance on your fitness journey. In addition to the convenience and expertise that Home Diva Fitness offers, we also provide a wide variety of classes to keep you engaged and motivated. From high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to yoga, Pilates, and dance, we have something for everyone. Our classes are designed to be fun, challenging, and effective, ensuring that you never get bored and always see results. And the best part? You can access our classes anytime, anywhere. Whether you prefer to work out in the morning, during your lunch break, or late at night, our platform is available 24/7 to fit into your schedule. No more missing classes because of conflicting appointments or commitments. With Home Diva Fitness, you have the ultimate flexibility to prioritize your health on your own terms. We understand that starting a new fitness routine can be intimidating, especially if you have never exercised before or have been out of shape for a while. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Our beginner-friendly classes are designed to ease you into fitness gradually, ensuring that you build strength, endurance, and confidence over time. We believe in the power of small victories and celebrating every milestone on your journey towards a healthier you. In addition to our classes, we also provide valuable resources and support to help you achieve your fitness goals. Through our online community, you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and get advice from our expert instructors. You will never feel alone on your fitness journey, as we are with you every step of the way. Together, we will overcome obstacles, push our limits, and celebrate our successes. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take charge of your health and join the Home Diva Fitness community. Sign up today and start your journey towards a fit and active lifestyle. Experience the convenience, affordability, and effectiveness of our online classes. Say goodbye to endless excuses and hello to a healthier, happier you. Don't let anything hold you back. Together, we can achieve greatness. So come on, join us now.